Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Canva works in a browser or the desktop app and supports 1920x 1080px and 1:1 templates, so you can start fast on a laptop. The left panel holds templates, elements, uploads, text, and photos. The top bar manages file, resize, and download. Use preset sizes like 1920x 1080px for presentations or 1080x 1080px for social posts, and switch between pages with the thumbnails on the left. Free plan includes thousands of templates. Pro unlocks brand kit, 100 GB cloud storage, and a background remover for fast edits. Start with a template, then replace text and images using the left panel to speed the layout process and keep composition consistent. Set canvas size to custom dimensions like 1080x 1080px for Instagram or 1920x 1080px for HD slides, and lock aspect ratio when resizing images. Use layers and the Arrange tool to align elements at pixel precision. Nudge with arrow keys for 1 pixel moves or hold Shift for 10 pixel moves. Group elements for reuse and duplicate pages to maintain visual continuity across designs. Export as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Choose 72 dpi for web and 300 dpi for print to match resolution needs and avoid pixelation. Use PNG with transparent background for logos or overlays, and select SVG for vector exports when you need infinite scaling. Check color mode, RGB for screens, CMYK for professional print services when available. Name files with date and size. For example, 2025-11-21 post 1080x 1080. PNG, and compress images when necessary to keep upload sizes under.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.